Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make cream rolls with Oreo. First, you'll need to prepare your Oreo crust. Take about 15 Oreo cookies and crush them thoroughly until they form fine crumbs. You can use a food processor or a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin for this. Next, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and mix it well with the crushed Oreos. Finally, press this mixture evenly into the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking pan. This forms the delicious base for our cream rolls. Now, let's create that irresistible cream filling. Start by whipping 1 cup of very cold heavy cream in a large bowl until it forms stiff peaks. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once it's thick and fluffy, gently fold in 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For an extra burst of Oreo flavor and texture, incorporate about 1/4 cup of roughly crushed Oreo pieces. This makes the filling incredibly rich and delightful. With your crust and filling ready, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully spread the prepared Oreo cream filling evenly over the chilled Oreo crust in your baking pan. Ensure it's a smooth, consistent layer from edge to edge. Once the filling is spread, cover the pan loosely with plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator. Allow it to chill for at least 2 hours. This firming time is crucial for easy cutting and a perfect texture. After chilling, remove the pan from the refrigerator. Now, for the final touch, you can dust your cream rolls with a little cocoa powder or sprinkle some extra Oreo crumbs on top for added visual appeal and flavor. Carefully cut the chilled dessert into 12 equal rolls. These are best served immediately, but you can store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.